To use the college search within SchooLinks, you'll click on Colleges, School Search. The default filters are set to show you both public and private schools within the state of Illinois. However, you can remove these filters, and there's additional filters you can choose from up at the top. So you can look at a 4-year or a 2-year school. You can also look at campus specifics. So is it in an urban, suburban, or rural area? How big is the school or how small? What region they're in? You can enter test scores to see how admittable you would be based on your SAT or ACT score. You can also look at the degree type. Are you looking to earn a bachelor's degree, an associate's degree, or a certificate? What sports a particular college or university offers? And then the sorting, you can sort it by graduation rate, acceptance rate, undergraduate tuition, and so on. So that is how you can use the search. But if there's more specific things that you're looking for, instead of looking at schools in the Midwest as a whole, maybe you're just looking at schools in Illinois and Ohio. You can type in individual states to just add those to your search. You also can type in degree programs. So if you were looking for a degree in public relations, you can add that as a major and it will show you the colleges and universities within the filters listed above, including what majors you're looking at.